Well, a fast-moving winter snowstorm is causing school closures and shutting down government offices from Massachusetts to Washington, D.C.
Yeah, the storm is expected to make travel conditions messy and potentially dangerous along the eastern seaboard. Boston is expecting several inches of snow today, and people have been rushing to stores to pick up extra food, shovels, and ice scrapers. While residents worry about their driveways and sidewalks, crews are trying their best to keep the roads clear.
Thinking that it's going to be pretty bad, between 5 and 10, an inch an hour or so. But what we do is what we try to strive for is that make sure everything's plowed. We try to get the roads down to black.
All right, and some major cities are already dealing with COVID-related shortages, including a lack of snowplow drivers. Some towns are now having to pay workers $300 an hour to keep snow off the roads.
Got your phone handy? Of course you do. Scan this right here. Download the CBS LA app. And just like that, you're connected to all the best local news and videos. Now, if only everything were this easy.